Hello everybody, Model Airport Nation here, back from another awesome airport update video. Well, today's a very special update because I have a package that just came to the United States directly from Australia. So I think it flew on like Air New Zealand up to Los Angeles, or to I think like New York or Chicago or something, and then it came down. So really cool. Made it to Florida. I'd like to thank you for Custom Airports AU. Thank you very much. They do a fantastic job. Highly recommend them. Without further ado, guys, let's see what we got. So this is coming directly from Australia, like I said. So this thing has made the journey across the water. So we have our LAX Delta hangar. Oh my gosh, that is really cool. Holy cow. Look at the detail on that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to set everything down and we're going to go over all of it. Next up, we have some of the side buildings that attach here. Wow, this is absolutely amazing. Holy cow. I'm very impressed. So this is the LAX Delta hangar. Oh, it looks like this. Wow, I'll definitely be purchasing from Custom Airports AU in the future. This is... So that kind of fits in there. So we'll just put that there for a second. What else do we have here? So, well, thank you. A little gift from Australia here. Well, actually, this is, I did pay for this with my own money. And this is actually the, I forgot I got the LAX remote gates as well. So we have a lot to look forward to opening here. So this is part of the Qantas hangar. Very special here indeed. Probably one of the coolest unboxings I've ever done in my life here, guys. So yeah, lots of parts here. They made it safely from Australia to the United States of America. They all kind of fit together here. Oh wow, look at that. That's so cool. So this is just the back part, guys, of the Qantas hangar at LAX. So stay tuned here. Gonna get some more stuff. This is a big unboxing here, guys. A lot bigger than I thought. So stand by here. Stand by. Wow, this is hold on one second. Very professionally done. Oh my gosh, guys, look at these things. I have them. The LAX remote gates are here. Oh, that's so cool. Wow. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna have them do probably Honolulu for me. And also they're going to do probably parts of like the MSP airport hangars. This is amazing. Excuse the construction noise outside, guys. Wow, Custom Airports AU, thank you so much. This is absolutely incredible. Look at this. Stunning. We're not done yet, guys. We are not done yet. All right, guys, let's get this out of the box here. Here we go. Wow. Look at that. You guys are thinking, oh, wow, looks pretty cool. But just wait till I get these together here. It's going to look even more cool. So, I'm going to make sure that this is just everything in the box here for a second. Then I'll lay everything out so you guys can see it. Holy cow, this is amazing. All right, everybody. Here it all is set up. Feast your eyes. So starting over here, we have the Qantas hangar. Qantas 787-900 years livery. We have the A380 here. This is, I guess, where they maintenance them and they service them up. Try to give you guys a good view from this side here. And yes, this can fit inside here as well. Put the King of the Skies. Look at that. And also fit the 787 too. And coming over here, we have the Delta maintenance facility at LAX, 1 to 400 scale. Look at this. Absolutely stunning. You guys are gonna see a lot more photos of these. Here's the back of it. Delta Airlines. Even got Delta Airlines on here too. Custom Airports AU, Australia. Did an amazing job here. I'll show you guys this Qantas on the other side here again. Look at that. Absolutely stunning. I'm absolutely impressed with the work that they did on this. This is absolutely incredible. And I will definitely be going back to them for future business again. So, starting over here, we have the remote gates too. Got the Singapore Airlines parked here. Star LAX over here. Got Jet Set Models buses here. And yeah, here are the other five remote gates here. I know in real life they're kind of spaced apart more, but just to give you guys this quick video here, showing you guys this unboxing, you can see the remote gates. Custom Airports AU also makes jetways too that go with them. Really freaking cool. Look at this. Yeah, very excited here. I know like Tarmac Designs makes some great remote gates as well, but the thing is, I want to give another creator a chance to, you know, showcase on my channel here and doing an absolutely amazing job as they did do on all of this. So very impressed. Thank you again, Custom Airports AU. Highly recommend them. Did pay for shipping and also obviously paid for this as well. Made it all in one piece, so very happy. Got Team USA in here. But yeah guys, here it all is together. Basically got the west side of LAX here. Really cool. But yeah, I'll give you guys another like updated video on this again in the near future, so stay tuned. Here's another angle from the other side of the west side here with the Qantas hangar, Delta hangar, and the remote gates. Very, very impressed. Stay tuned for more work will be done on this as well. So really cool, guys, really cool. Look at that. Delta right there, Delta right there. Really cool. Thank you guys again for watching today. Model Airport Nation here as always, guys. Hope you guys are doing well too. I'd like to thank you guys also for 2K subscribers on my channel here. Now we're pushing for 3K. But don't really, I'm really thankful for all the subscribers and everything. But I just really do appreciate all of you guys, and I do this because I love to do it. So thank you guys again for supporting me. And my goal here to make the complete LAX airport here. So stay tuned for more, guys. Please subscribe for more, guys, if you aren't subscribed yet. Also, Instagram, TikTok, Model Airport Nation, and of course, right here on YouTube, Model Airport Nation. Thank you, guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Also, shout out to Custom Airports AU for the amazing facilities here. So, thank you very much. Happy collecting.